The concept of urban and suburban farming has only expanded within the past few years. It arose from a need by people to have access to fresh and healthy food. A lot of people find themselves living in food deserts where they'll only have access to fast food and have an extreme lack of grocery stores. Growing your own food can also guarantee that the food you receive is fresh, takes less of a toll on the environment, and is free from pesticides and other harmful chemicals. Okay, so I'm standing here today with my mother who has been into suburban farming for about 5 years now. So, could you tell me a little bit about why you decided to begin growing your own garden?
I started about 5 years ago when I realized the benefits of producing your own food. Um, Knowing where your food comes from, the quality of it, the ingredients of it, like what was put into the soil. I grow a lot of my things from seed, so I know from start to finish where everything is coming from. Just the overall health benefits is just, it's nature, it's connected with nature. It's a hobby, but it's also a lifestyle, and I feel like, everyone should know exactly where their food is coming from, so.
Okay, and what's some of the crops that you grow?
Well, I grow like just about anything. I'll try my hand at whatever I feel like I know we're going to eat as a family. So this season I grew garlic, onions. We have some celery left over. I grew peppers, tomatoes, okra, lots of herbs, and a variety of things that we use for salads like lettuces and cucumbers and um, lots of tomatoes. So, and I jar them up so we save them through the season.
Yeah, I see that the season is winding down.
Hmm.
So, in the winter, is that what you do? You save your
I do.
crops?
I do. I save my tomatoes. I process them. Once they're all done, I make them into pasta sauce. I'll make them into diced tomatoes, soups, you name it. I'll freeze them. Same with the peppers and the herbs. I'll freeze them as well, or I'll dry them.
Okay. And I know you touched on it a little bit, but what health benefits would you say come from growing your own fruits and vegetables?
Well, yeah, like I said, you know where everything is coming from. I know I don't put chemicals on any of my products here. It's wholesome. You get it straight from farm to table. Like you want something sweet to eat, you walk right out the front door, turn the corner, and you can grab it. And you don't have to worry about how long it was in transit from California or Peru or wherever they get in your produce from. You're going straight from your front door to your garden, and it's just that fresh.
And what would you say the benefits of suburban farming would be on the environment overall?
Well, I think it takes a little tiny bit of pressure off of um, the grocery system and the food waste that goes on within our society as far as a lot of food just going to waste. You can control your own product here by processing it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.